Terrence, have you started on that goddamn story of that crazy Mississippi woman yet? It's got to be out tomorrow before those thieving bastards at the New Orleans Island get a hold of it. Get it done. I don't care if you have to burn the midnight oil. It'll hit the streets tomorrow morning. Or else!
If he ain't careful, I'm gonna hit him on the streets tomorrow morning. God, alright, here goes. Distressed visitor from Mississippi, Blanche Dubois, was removed for sectioning at a local mental institute yesterday morning. The young lady was escorted from her temporary residence in Faubourg Marigny, New Orleans, where she was staying with her sister, Stella Kowalski. The doctor escorting Miss Dubois away described her as clearly deluded after she claimed she was raped. Stanley Kowalski, who was present when Miss Dubois was removed, claimed she was crazy and caused upset in his life. Mr. Kowalski, a factory part salesman, was interviewed earlier about how his personal life was imploding.
Was your sister's mistake? Now what kind of queen do you think that you are? We're your subjects no more. My wife and child have run from my arms. My sister-in-law disrupted our stars. I don't need you, I'm happy alone, till I realise I'm wrong. Wasn't we all okay until she showed up here? Please, honey, what's the matter with you? Did I hurt
Mr. Kowalski, who served in the army as an engineer, appeared to be a broken man, having separated from his wife, Miss Dubois' sister, Stella Kowalski. Mrs. Kowalski, who recently had a child, gave her view on what'd been happening. According to close relatives, in the days prior to Miss Dubois' sectioning, she was receiving flirtatious advances from Harold Mitchell, also known as Mitch to family and friends. Mr. Mitchell, who was apparently head over heels in love with the Mississippian, but failed to ground a relationship, seemed distraught over losing his chance with her for good. The out-of-towner Miss Dubois apparently arrived into town on the streetcar named Desire and was staying with the Kowalskis up until her order for sectioning. Despite her fragile state of mind, she was able to describe the ordeal of being taken away from her everyday life.
The kindness of strangers, but then they judge a girl for having some furs. Pain, torment, diamonds and pearls, hate, distrust, and after all, nothing but a lady. Trust the girl. Banish from Ariel, treat me like an animal, bats on my nerves.
Twists, turns, the truth unfurled.
Why was it wrong to have my toes uncurled?
time you feel alive. Men, they will come, and they will take my mind. My mind. This old thing.
Rumors have been circulating that Miss Dubois has been affiliated with the infamous Flamingo Club. Boy howdy, and the Daily Orleans will be following this up in tomorrow's paper. Marlon Richards reporting for the Daily Orleans.